How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to grow taller, the ultimate tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So how do you grow taller, you guys? A lot of people don't know this, but height growth occurs actually when you are sleeping. 95% of height growth occurs when you are sleeping. So here's why a lot of people don't grow up until they don't grow to their true potential, because the average person, studies have shown, and I've read lots of studies on this, probably over 50, and all the studies show roughly the average person gets about 5 hours of sleep per night. 5 hours. Doctors recommend minimum 7. I recommend, if you want to grow taller, to get 9 hours. Why 9 hours? Because 7 hours, what the doctors recommend, is for sedentary people, bare minimum. It's for people that work at an office job for 8-10 hours, come home, watch TV. They're very sedentary. They don't do much. They're overweight. So yeah, this is a fitness channel. I suspect a lot of you guys are active. You might play sports, you lift weights, you do cardio, you do something. That requires more than 7 hours because your body needs time to recover. So I recommend 9 hours. Now here's the thing about height. A lot of people think that all genetics. I've read studies on this too, probably over 100 studies on height. And the consensus is about 60% of height is genetics. The other 40% you can control. So obviously, if your parents are 6'5", you're going to be around 6 foot for sure, even if you do everything wrong. But there is potential to be taller than your parents if you do the right thing. And that's sleeping. Sleeping is by far the most thing that will contribute to you getting taller. Obviously, diet is important, but the number one thing is sleep. Sleep as much as you can, 9-10 hours, whatever. You don't have to sleep for 14 hours, obviously. Don't overdo it, but make sure you're not getting 5 or 6 hours. Make sure you're getting at least 9 hours, you guys. You do this, you will see a height increase. Same for me. I was 25. Everyone's like, your height has stopped. I was only sleeping 6-7 hours a night. I went from 6 hours to 9 hours. In 1 month, I grew 3 inches. I went from about 5'8" to 5'7", 5'10", roughly. And yeah, that's what you do. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.